Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about the density functional theory analysis to get the theoretical calculations of HOMO, LUMO and molecular electrostatic potential surfaces by using Gaussian 9 and Gauss-View program. So first of all, make a folder on desktop with the name of phytochemical that we will use for DFT analysis. I will use rutin as an example. So I will make the folder with the name of rutin. After this, download the 3D STF file of rutin from PubChem and save this file in the desktop folder. Open this STF file in Gauss-View program. From here we have to select our file location as the folder was saved on desktop, so select desktop option and open routine. So no item match your research, so we have to change our files of type, select it and choose all files and open 3D STF file of routine. So this is routine with 73 atoms, 320 electrons, that is neutral and singlet. So next step is to put calculations for our DFT analysis. Choose job type. First of all, choose job type. Job type must be optimization for our DFT analysis. No need to change other default options. Next step is to choose method. Method must be ground state and DFT. So this will be basis set must be 631G. No need to change other options. Next step is to title. Name the title as the name of phytochemical. As the name of phytochemical is rutin, so title must be rutin. These are other default options. No need to change these options and submit. So this window will be shown Gaussian calculation. You must save the Gaussian input file before you submit. So click on save and save. After submission, Gaussian window will be open and doing lots of calculation. Don't shut down the computer as this program takes several hours to get the results depending upon the number of atoms of the phytochemical that we have choose for DFT analysis. After the completion of Gaussian job, this window will be shown. Gaussian job has completed. Do you want to close the Gaussian window? Click on yes. This window will be shown. Choose the log file and open it. This is the optimized structure of routine. To get results, just right click on this window, click on results and summary. This is the dipole moment of routine, this is energy of routine and all other details of routine. For HOMO and LUMO values, click on molecular orbital editor. This window will be shown as this is HOMO value. HOMO is at ground state and is highest occupied molecular orbital, and this is LUMO value as LUMO is at first excited state and is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. To draw molecular orbitals on this structure, just click on new molecular orbital, add method of load existing check or fcheck file and load it. To visualize the molecular orbital surfaces, just click on Visualize. Add type for both HOMO and LUMO and update. No need to change other default options. All the surfaces are generated as this is the surface of HOMO. All the surfaces are generated as this is the surface for LUMO and this is the surface for HOMO. This small box indicates that file which is viewed in this window. So the red color of the orbital indicates the positive phase while the green color of the orbital indicates the negative phase. To change the background color, just right click display format and change the background and click on OK. To save the image of the surfaces, just right click on file and save image file. Save image file on the folder that was made on the desktop. Add file name routine homo. So check this picture. This is routine homo picture. As all the results automatically saved in the folder that was made on desktop. To understand the potential sites for the electrophilic and nucleophilic reactions of the chemical, molecular electrostatic potential surface is used for. For this, we need to open check file from the menu. Add file type, choose all files and open the check file. We select the surfaces from result menu. Add cube action. Load new cube with type of total density and density matrix of SCF and click on OK. Once the cube generates, we select the map surfaces from surface action menu with ESP type and density matrix of SCF and click on OK. So this is the mapped surface of the routine. Gauss view will calculate ESP values and color each surface point accordingly. Color range is defined in the top of the window.